Okay, today is November the 2nd, day number 13. I still can't access, have access to the shower sewage. It's still having problem. We're not even getting it fixed at all right now. We're coming to a screeching halt because inspector doesn't still come out until the 9th. That's scheduled for the 9th. So today is the 2nd. So another 7 days. 7, 13. Okay, so it'll be 20 days by the time the inspector comes out. So still, I don't have access to use the shower, the kitchen sink, cook anything at all as well. So I do have water now, but water is still not fully done. I only have access to water, but the inspector hasn't come out to look at it either. So I guess this is supposed to come out on the 7th, on the 9th, November the 9th. Okay, so the only thing that's making me happy right now are these fruits. I got some more passion fruits right here that I just collected from the roof, the sun roof, and it has a really good strong smells. Very, very tasty. So I just had a couple already, and right now I'm just have a few more. So look at the size of this. Wow, I can smell it. Wow, the minute I cut it open, I can smell it from here. Like, wow. Look at that. Mmm. So sweet and juicy. Sweet and juicy. Wow. The flavor too. Mmm. Very strong smell. So delicious. It has a little bit of a sourness at the end, but it's not very faint sourness at the end. It's not even a strong sourness. So it's more sweet than sour. I forgot the spoon so I can scoop it out. Wow, so good. This variety is so good. Totally better than the one I had in Maui several years ago. I'm so hooked. I'm so hooked onto passion fruit right now after I had this variety. So delicious. We're gonna move on to the mango. So it's a bit soft right now. See, when I press it, it's a bit soft. Look like this one is ripened on the tree. So I'm gonna try this one. See what it smells like. So usually this is a Mallika. Usually people, I guess, they picked it green and they ripen up later. So this one first time I'm trying it ripe on a tree for this Mallika. see how it tastes. So this part is still a bit green. So you see it's a bit green versus this other part is there's a little hole here. It's a bit of a hole, but this side is red. So the part that's still green is, you see the flesh is still green. But once you ripen it up, it will be same color here, or it's more like orange color on the inside. So that's a whole fruit. Really sweet. Wow, this one doesn't have any seed. No seed. Interesting. No seed at all. Mallika has no seed. This one here is ready to pick, because I'm gonna pick it green, because no sap either. So I'm gonna pick it green and leave it on the counter. So you can see that this is mature, not ripe on the tree, but mature. So we'll have to let it sit on our counter for next few days. And you see the little freckles all over the body. That means this fruit is ready to be picked, and let it sit on the counter. So they said that picked it green and let it ripen is supposed to have a better taste than letting it ripen on the tree. Okay. So, because I just found the plumber didn't pull the permit, so I had to make them go do it. Now I remove this. So look at this new fruits. I don't know, this looks like it's turning yellow, so it's not gonna make it on that one, but this looks more promising. Still green. And then we got some more flowers. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside the house and enjoy the rest of my passion fruits. This is so delicious.